As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the View from the Road. It is an amazing day out here. We're going to be in the low 80s, so I figured I had a small break in my schedule. I'd get out of the van and record the video out here in nature. This week there's a lot of housekeeping going on. We're almost at the end of the school year. A couple of schools are ending this week. Pretty much the rest of them are ending next week. And so what we need from teachers, this is directed at you, let us know what your supply lists are going to be that you're going to need for your kids for the fall and for your summer music programs. That includes books, accessories, instrument brands if you have preferences, all of that stuff. We like to keep that on file so that when people come in, they tell us who their teacher is and what school they're going to, then we can get them set up with the right stuff. So super important to send that to us to the Boomer Gmail account. That would be really, really helpful. Repairs, get those in. I'm still going around this week and next picking up stuff from the schools, so if you've got stuff that needs to come in, let me know. I know a lot of you have a budget that if you haven't used it already needs to be used by June 30th. No problem, we can help you with that. Just get the stuff in, let me know, I'll come pick it up, and we'll make sure that all the paperwork is done properly on all of that. Instrument ordering, we're definitely, with the supply chain disruption, word of the year, into the fall on things now. So I've placed orders for stuff that is slated for August/September delivery. So we definitely need to get those orders in if you're going to be making any purchases for your classrooms as well. Folders, we've got them. I've delivered some already. If you need more, let me know. Boxes of 100, and just let me know how many boxes you want, and those are always free of charge. So let us know what you want on those. Parents, summer music, it's coming up. Come in and rent your instruments now, and we'll get you set up with the instruments, the accessories, everything that you need. And then you can also make reservations for the fall. We're in talks with the teachers to make sure of deliveries to the schools, or you can come and pick up stuff. Very exciting time here. I mean, I know that we had the full moon this last week, and just, you know, summer is in the air now. We're past spring at this point. And last night the boys had their swim class, and definitely the kids are getting rambunctious, so they can feel that the transition time is coming and that the school year is coming to an end, and it's super exciting that we have managed to do this fully in person. So I'm excited for that. Next week be out on the road again, and then after that we'll be into summer in earnest. So we're almost there. So that's your view from the road. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch up with you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.